Okay, good morning. Welcome to
MathPractice136.
Math Practice number 136. Unfortunately, we're in a little bit of a hurry this morning because you gotta get out and walk the dog in like 2 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Or maybe 5 minutes. And so I thought we'd do just a quick movie on squares. So we spent the whole morning talking about x squared going to x minus 1 squared, and we drew our picture, and we said this was x squared minus 2x plus 1. Okay, so if we have 40 squared, hopefully we should be able to figure out 39 squared. Now, can you tell me what 40 squared is?
1600.
1600. Now, how did you figure that out?
Because you go 4 times 4, which is 16, and you add 2 zeros.
4 times 4, which is 16, and then you add 2 zeros. Very good. Sorry, I just need to get an eraser. So this is 1600. And what is x in our equation here? What's the x squared that we know?
Well, it's 40.
40. So we're going to say x equals 40. So we're going to use our formula that we got from drawing our squares. And we've seen this formula in the last couple of videos, and we've seen it in Beast Academy, right?
Yeah.
So 39 squared is x squared, where x squared is 1600, minus 2 times x. Now what's x again?
X is 40.
X is 40. So what's 2x?
2x is 80.
80. X. So, and 1600 minus 80, then we have to do a plus 1. Okay?
So 1600 minus 80.
1600 minus 80. What is that?
Well, if you do...
Let's just focus on that for a second. 1600 minus 80. 1600 minus 80.
Well... What?
Well, what's 1600 minus 100?
Is 1500.
1500. So what's 1600 minus 80?
So you subtract 20 from 100.
Yeah.
So that's... Well...
Are you confused?
Yeah, a bit.
A bit? Okay, so it's 1520. So it's not, it has to be a bigger number, because if you subtract 100, you get to 1500?
Yeah.
So when you subtract 80, which is 20 less than 100, this goes up by 20. And you can see, what would we get if we added 80 to this?
Well, you would get 1600 again.
Yeah. See how that works?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, great. And then we just have to add 1. So we get 39 squared is?
Is 1521.
1521.
Mm-hmm.
Yay! Yay. Okay, so that's how we can go backwards. And then we have a rule for adding 5, and we have a rule for adding 1. Now we have a rule for subtracting 1. Hey, pretty soon we're going to be able to find the square of just about any number we can. Alright, good job, sweetie. Go walk the dog.